In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Walmart app to find items in store. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Walmart app and make sure you're signed in to get started. Here, set your preferred store for accurate in-store item locations. You can tap on the drop-down icon just below the search bar and customize the location of the Walmart. Use the search bar at the top of the app to find what you need. Just type in the item, like paper towels, and hit search. The app will display the price, availability, and exact aisle and section number where the item is located, like aisle 22 and section J, so you can head straight there. And if you're already in the store, tap the barcode scanner icon and scan any item to check the price, stock status, and even aisle location. Filter by in-store availability to make sure you're only seeing products available at your selected Walmart store. If you still can't find an item, show the aisle and section details in the app to a Walmart associate. They'll help you locate it quickly. And that's it.